Finding the composition of water by electrolysis. Electrolysis is a method of separating bonded compounds by passing an electric current through them to further understand and study the elements. When electric current is passed through water, it separates into its constituents, hydrogen and oxygen, which can be collected and studied. Requirements: insulated copper wires, sodium bicarbonate, aluminium foil, 4 rubber bands, 1 strip of wood, 1 battery 4.5 volt, 2 test tubes, tape, water, 1 glass straw. Method: take a glass straw and put some water in it. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate or a few drops of sulfuric acid in the water. This will make the water conducting. Now take 2 pieces of insulated copper wire and remove the plastic coating from the ends of the wire. Wrap one end of each wire with the small pieces of aluminium foil. These pieces will act as electrodes to make contact with water. Stretch a strong rubber band around the wooden strip along with the test tube. Repeat the action for the other test tube. Now fill the test tubes with water. Put the tape with the wire and throw end so that the wires remain in position. Now put the wooden strip along with the test tubes on the throw and push the aluminium foils into the 2 test tubes separately. Connect the ends of the 2 wires to the positive and negative terminals of the 4.5 volt battery. When current is passed through the water, gas bubbles come out from the electrodes and gases collect in the 2 test tubes. The ratio of the 2 gases will be 1:2. Now take 1 test tube having more gas. Bring a lighted matchstick to its mouth, pointing it downward. It will explode with a pop. This is hydrogen gas. Over the other test tube, the lighted matchstick will burn more brightly. This is oxygen gas. The ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. This shows that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, which is present in the ratio of 2:1.